Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the app able to capture your screen, update Discord, and grant system screen permissions. Once done, join the voice call or enter the voice channel you want to stream to. Tap the screen share or share screen button. That first action triggers the OS broadcast prompt. Make sure to enable microphone if you need audio. This is the only reliable entry point on mobile. Enter the voice session, permit recording/overlay, then initiate the screen broadcast. Now configure what you share. Choose full screen or a single app window from the broadcast chooser because Discord Mobile mirrors that selection. Once selected, confirm Start Broadcast or Start Now. The OS counts down and hands streaming to Discord. Make sure to set Do Not Disturb and lower brightness to prevent pop-ups and flicker. Also verify camera is off if you only want screen. Continue. Watch the red broadcast indicator to confirm the live feed is active for viewers. To finish, tap the red broadcast bar or return to Discord and press Stop Sharing. That cleanly releases the recording permission. If viewers see a black screen, make sure Discord has display over other apps, Android, or screen recording permission, iOS, and that no security policy blocks capture. If that fails, force close and restart Discord, clear app cache, or reboot the phone. One key tip: re-grant the OS screen permission and restart the app. That fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.